Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the TP-Link Tapo Lightstrip, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the TP-Link Tapo Lightstrip, a controller, a power adapter, adhesive tape, mounting clips, plus a user manual and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. Clean and dry the mounting surface before installation. Peel off the 3M adhesive backing from the Tapo Lightstrip and attach it firmly to the desired area. Connect the strip to the controller, plug in the power adapter, and secure the strip with mounting clips if needed. Finally, power on the light and complete setup through the Tapo app. How to pair. Download and open the Tapo app, then add the Tapo Lightstrip from the device list. Connect your phone to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Follow the in-app instructions and power on the Lightstrip. The app will automatically detect and connect the device, allowing you to control colors, brightness, and lighting effects. Smart features? Control your Tapo Lightstrip easily through the Tapo app or voice assistants. Adjust settings, turn lights on or off, and manage your lighting from anywhere. Choose from millions of colors, adjust brightness, and create personalized lighting scenes for different moods and occasions. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your TP-Link Tapo Lightstrip. See you in the next one.